US30 continued its bull run after weeks of consolidation and giving a breakout. Last week, it is again stayed bullish, achieving close to 35,700 before closing below 35,400 levels. Now, what to expect next week and next month? We will see with the help of charts first, followed with indicators. Towards the end, we will summarize and conclude the levels you should watch out for and trade. Let's start, and before that, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and also press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis which I share for Dow Jones and Nasdaq and major global markets and commodities. First with the Asia session, next with the Europe session. So definitely, the daily analysis will add to your day trading decisions as well. So do watch that. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the weekly charts. See this zone, you can see how important it is for Dow Jones to break past by. 36,000 is a very critical level for US30 to break past by, certainly. And we can see multiple candles retracing from those levels. At the same time, if you look at the complete formation here, see after the V-shaped recovery here, it is consolidated here between this zone for long and now has given a breakout. Now this breakout, if you look at since last two candles, see, preceding candle was a big bullish candle. The preceding candle to that was also a bullish candle. But this candle, the body size has diminished and the movement was limited within a very narrow zone. It failed to stay below 35,300 and failed to break past 35,700. However, remember, after weeks of consolidation, it is still in the breakout zone. So this is something you should watch out for, as it is still trying to continue with the bullish momentum. However, now I will definitely watch out for 35,300 and 200 as the two levels which you should look for, because below 35,200 definitely we can see a little more retracement where US30 may try to drop till towards 34,800 and in fact 34,600 500 levels. Now the next strongest support you can see is at 34,400 to 600 zone, only below which you can say that US30 is turning bearish. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily see, higher highs are seen and lower lows were seen in last couple of candles, and the preceding candle, the last candle for the last week, was a, you can say, retracement candle here. Yes, it stayed within the zone here at 35,400 to 500, and see longer wicks on the upside suggests that the price is not willing to stay bullish, and we can see the retracement, we can see the pullback in each and every candle. This suggests that the bullishness is certainly getting diminished. However, as we saw on the earlier charts, on the weekly charts, that see this is the consolidation where US30 stayed for weeks and now it has given a breakout. Now if you look at the complete movement post breakout, it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. And if you look at 35,200 and 300 zone is definitely a critical support for US30, below which we can see a major fall which will take the prices still towards 34,800 and below levels. In fact 34,600 is possible. So this is one part which you should look out for. Now let's come to the monthly charts, because see that this monthly candle is about to close and the new candle will start. And if you look at the monthly candle, see first of all, this is the bull run, this was the flag formation, and then this after this retracement, if you look at, this is also another flag in which, and this was the breakout. So the candle in July is a breakout candle here after the months of consolidation. You can see this very clearly, months of consolidation and a breakout here. Now this suggests that US30 has still got the bullishness there. I will definitely watch out for 36,000 levels. If it stays above 36,000 level, all time high levels are must, and in fact it can breach pass by. You can see the major economies across the globe, all the indices, be it UK, be it Germany, be it Japan, be it India, the markets have achieved all time high levels post COVID for once. Even there was one peak, then retracement, and then have achieved all time high levels. Now with the recession fears going or waning away and the inflation coming down, there is still bullishness left, and the possibility for it to give you third bullish candle exists here. However, it could be one of the swing candles also, where we may see prices swinging in between the highs and the lows here. So now if you look at, see second bullish candle this is, and the third bullish candle, always the chances of third bullish candle always exist. But in the month of August, we should watch out for first at the behavior at around 34,500 600 levels. These levels are certainly achievable which it may try to retrace for a little while. In fact, if it is bullish, it may try to achieve those levels for once. And at the same time, on the upside, how it behaves at 36,500. So there is a broader range which is coming out here in between 34,500 to 36,500 levels. It can be a swing candle. Remember, it can be a swing candle. Also, if you look at the candle sizes here, the candle size is getting diminished. So this is also suggestive that the bullishness is getting diminished here. Now let's have a look at the indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? And if you look at the indicators, see the 20, 50, 100 period moving average trading parallel, trading with a bullish bias, taking the support from the 20 period. Now the prices are trying to diverge and it is continuing with the bullish momentum. On the monthly charts, stochastic is again looking to enter into overbought zones. If you look at MACD, see now on the monthly charts, the MACD crossover has just happened, and see the forthcoming months may bring bullishness. We have to be watchful here. See, since 2010, since post financial crisis, this is the third crossover on the monthly charts from the same levels, and every time it has achieved higher highs. So you can say flat bottom and higher highs. This is how the MACD is trading, and once again we can see a crossover. So I will definitely watch out for the next few months. It can continue with the bullish momentum here, as the crossover is very prominent. I will see definitely, because see this is a diverging crossover. You can see. Let me zoom in a bit. See, it is diverging here. So next monthly candle can stay bullish. RSI looking upwards, indicating bullishness. Coming to the weekly charts. On the weekly chart, the moving averages have started to diverge, good bullish sign. However, the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, and hence that is why I say for either it could try to consolidate a bit in between this zone, let the moving average come on the upside, and then possibly achieve those levels before looking upwards. So this is how it is going to trade. Yes, now the prices are too much divergent from the moving averages, so it will wait for the moving average to climb up and stay sideways or show swings accordingly. Now see, the weekly stochastic is back to overbought levels, but it is not that it cannot sustain these overbought levels. We have seen it's sustaining overbought levels for weeks. Look at the MACD. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, and the candle size have started to increase, and it can continue with the bullish momentum. See, it is still very close to the zero levels. It can continue with the divergence here. RSI looking upwards, staying bullish. Coming to the daily, see on the daily charts also, you will find that the prices are too much divergent from the moving averages. Moving averages are certainly looking upwards. Certainly, it can try to retrace the price till towards 34,900, 800 levels for once. In fact, even if it is bullish, it can try to retrace or achieve these levels before looking forward to an up move. Yes, it is too much divergent. Definitely, it can try to see the prices may come down while the moving average coming till towards 35,000. So 34,800, 35,200, this is the zone where we are going to see maximum support for US30. In between this zone, we have to watch out for, and achieving these levels, it can certainly fly back again on the upside. Stochastic has dropped. It stayed overbought for multiple sessions before dropping here. Now MACD is willing to converge crossover. It has not yet crossed over. If you look at MACD, it has still got some room, but look at the formation. See, rise, retracement, rise, again willing to converge and retrace, and now it is in sync with what we are expecting here. So possibly it could try to drop a bit before looking forward or before resuming the upward move here. Hence, we will definitely watch out for how it behaves at the lower levels, and still it is going to remain in a buy zone. RSI on the daily charts was overbought. It is just cooled down with the last couple of sessions. And now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably. First, we'll look into the levels to buy, then the levels to sell, and then the critical zone you should watch out for. Also, before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch, the 24th batch, going to start on first week of August. Limited seats are available. Reserve your seats now itself. Learn from the experts. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies we have devised over the years of experience, and hence equip yourself with those strategies in this session. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description, and also you can be part of my Signals channel. Now, where to buy? I will recommend you to buy here at 35,470 levels. You can buy here. Expect 35,550. 35,620, 35,700. Now this is the last week's high, and beyond this See, till here it's fine. It is continuing. It can continue with the bullish momentum. Till here it's fine. But remember, it is still not in the buy zone here. You can book these profits here. You can keep booking profits, keep re-entering at these levels. That is what you can do. Beyond 35,700 is where we can see maximum bullishness, where we can this time expect 35,920 levels and 36,080 levels. Yes, these levels are achievable and it can try to break past also beyond these levels, and hence the bullishness can still prevail. Be careful here. Now, beyond this, sky is the limit. For the month of August, we may see, in fact, it breaking past by 36,500 zone. Very critical there. On the downside, now where to sell and which levels you should watch out for. Now, I will recommend you to sell only at 35,340 levels, below which you can expect 35,300 nearest, very nearest, and 35,200. Once it breaks below 35,200, this is the level below which you can expect further drop here. Below 35,200, we can expect it to reach till 35,000, 34,920 and 34,810 levels. Yes, it can possibly get the support at around these levels. Very strong support exists at around these levels. It can possibly show you a bounce back. Below this is where more bearishness may prevail, and we can see 34,600, 34,500 and 400. Now till this is the critical zone. This is the definitely a critical zone here, only below which you should treat that Dow Jones is going to crash. Else, in all ways, in all means, it is definitely going to give you a recovery. Be careful. Till 34,400, 600 zone is respected, do not treat Dow Jones as bearish. It will show you a bounce back. It will definitely show you a bounce back in the month of August itself. So yes, a little retracement on the downside can be expected, but this is the levels at max I am looking forward to. Even if it tries to trade bearish, these levels are definitely going to provide a support, and then a pullback later half of the month can be seen, which might take the prices on a higher level side. So take your trades accordingly and do all the daily analysis. Definitely to add meaning to your day trading decisions as well, and more precise and more clear levels on the daily basis will be seen. Twice a day I provide this analysis, first with the Asia session and next with the Europe session, US session. Do watch both. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Thank you.